sila ano yun, oh.
Seb, this is Naiya, and we are going to ride an airplane here today.
Okay lang, priority naman.
1 and 2. Too heavy.
Saan ka punta?
Sa Palawan.
Boarding na kami, guys. Yay! Guys, we just arrived in Puerto Princesa Airport. So from here, we are going to El Nido by road, and it's about 4 to 5 hours travel din yun. Kumuha kami ng rent-a-car, and then they will pick up us here in the airport.
Mga ano, 2 to 3 seconds na. Ano na siya? 2 to 3 seconds na. 1,
2, 3.
5.
Oh, almost 5 hours itong biyahe natin, ha. Tulog muna kayo. Then pagising nyo, nasa El Nido na tayo.
Still got your lips on paper in the
Yay! Finally, we're here. Alright, so this is our room. Say hi! Meron tayong couch here. In here, meron tayong veranda na may magandang view.
There's a new day that will
wow, ang presko ng hangin. Then another couch here. And small table in here. Ta-da! Hi, Mommy!
To wash away the pain. There's a new day.
Which one do you like?
Bologna pasta.
Red or green?
Pesto pasta. And pizza.
With picture.
Wow!
You want pizza? Thank you. Huh? Seb? Yeah.
And here's your pizza.
Thank you, Daddy, sa libre. Ikaw magbabayad lahat, di ba?
What? Okay, so tapos na ang lunch. Sumilip muna tayo sa entertainment and kids playroom bago tayo bumalik sa hotel room natin. Wow, ito nga gusto ni Sebo.
Uy, di ba there's a crocodile in the Secret Life of Pets? There's a big crocodile and then snake bite.
Swimming time! So, ito. This is Sedalillo.
My voice is just a call away. You don't have to be afraid. You don't have to be afraid. I'll keep you safe all night and day. I'll be where you wanna be. Yes, I'll be where you wanna be. I'll be your rock, I'll be your man. Just like from where it all began. You're more than everything. You're more than everything to me. Make me a promise, tell me you love me, and that you'll never shut me out. To me you're a goddess, baby, let me show you what I'm about. Call me your lover, call me whatever, long as I'm alive. I try to be just completely amazing. You're the reason why. When you're still down when the sun.
Then ito naman tayo swimming pool ng Seda. Ang gusto ko dito guys is hindi malamig yung tubig at enough yung liwanag, so I feel safe na mag-swimming sa gabi. Especially para kay Seth.
Go! Wow! Let's go sa lalim. Mayroong bed dun, no? Na deep.
Ayun guys, nakasakay kami ngayon ng cart. Going to the, Eco Trail. Leo Hike Trail.
GPS, Lucky Trail.
I-start na kami ng ng Eco Trail hiking namin. This is the start.
Let's go!
In fairness, malinis ang trail dito. And then it says, uphill, watch your step. Parang may narinig kong hingal. Ikaw ba yan?
Yes. Look, there's a poop of yung parang musang ng Palawan.
Like a musang. Ayan guys, so interesting. Guys, we are here.
Oh, wow.
Wow, ang bilis. Ilan?
32.
Wow, ang bilis. 32. Si Kuya talaga, masyado tayong minaliit. Sabi niya 1 hour daw.
Baka
so,
naman
ito 30 minutes
balikan.
lang.
View deck.
Nice. Galing. Guys, we are going back to hotel na and then maglalakad lang kami this time. Good morning.
Go! Come here! Bye! Come on!
You better turn up.
This is our last day here inside the Leo at talagang sinulit na namin ang araw. Nag-try kami ng free paddleboard nila at sobrang saya ng experience namin dito.
If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
Daan muna tayo dito sa Calle Artesano. Tingnan natin yung mga arts and crafts na gawang Pinoy.
It's like a seda.
A turtle! Oy! Okay, so sinong excited sa next destination natin? Oh, sobrang piling ng sun dito. At talagang sinulit na namin ang huling araw namin dito sa El Nido. Pumunta muna kami sa Nakpang Beach para mag-sunset viewing bago bumalik sa Puerto Princesa. Sulit talaga at nag-enjoy kami dito sa El Nido. At ang pinakamasaya sa lahat ay yung nakita ko kung gaano kasaya si Seb sa 2 araw na ito.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.
Alright, lunchtime na. Wow, ang sarap ng mga food. Uy, crispy kangkong, pork, chicken, tahong, seaweeds. Ito talaga yung pinakagusto ko dito eh, yung seaweeds.
Good morning.
I'm in the...
Kalawit.
Where are you?
In the Kalawit.
In the Palawan. Is it fun here?
Yes.
What did you do here? What are you doing here?
In the beach.
You're in the beach. Woohoo! In the beach.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Ooh.
Ooh. Bye-bye.
So I elbowed my way to a seat. There be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter.
Oh, haba naman ang kailaw nila hanggang dito.
Ang ganda.
Canopy.
What is a canopy?
Ito.
Bakit ngayon lang tayo nandun?
What?
Yeah. And main reception.
Okay. Welcome to Astoria. Taco.
Thank you very much po.
Mami, what's this? It's so cute. Ano mga ba to?
Living cute.
Kasing cute?
Oh.
Oh.
I'm not cute.
It's been a long and tiresome day.
Like this week.
I've been waiting to come home and give you everything that I have. Now we could stay awake all night and have dinner in bed. Slowly watch as the sun rises, I'll fall asleep instead. Woo-hoo-hoo, this is how it ought to be. Every day should be like a hovering cloud.
What's ito? Ano naman ito? Kita muna. Sleeping.
yung Danish reception.
Okay.
Sige, reception.
Oh yeah, okay.
Rooms din po yun yung may mga kasama dito. May water park na. Dance.
Okay, sige. 5 days in Palawan.
Hindi po kami dito.
Okay. Oh, di ba? Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay.
So, ayun guys. So, tour by the beach.
Ayun na ba yun?
Yeah. Pwede.
Meron pa kayong nursery ng pawikan? What? Ayun, yung bata pa ito.
Tawikan po dito, mapakita ko.
Meron?
Dito po.
Ayun!
Dito lang tawikan.
Ang witty mo doon, kuya.
Nice.
Na tayo
Mag. Okay, ayaw niya na umuwi. Same here, ayaw ko na rin umuwi.
Sabi pala ng guard kuya, doon lang po.
Inalis niya. Oy, tumalon na agad. Malamig yan. Hindi.
Smile and wave.
Ah.
Okay naman siya. 1, 2, 3.
If you stay right here, I might move my hand to your face. It's been a long and tiresome day. I've been waiting to come home and give you everything that I have.
Pabalik na kami guys ng city proper kasi maaga pa yung flight namin bukas. Pero huminto muna kami dito sa may coffee shop para bumili ng kape. Para hindi tayo antukin sa daan.
Ice lang ba?
Cappuccino na lang lang. Hi. Are you waiting for someone? Yung change niyo, okay. Alright. O yung bill mo. Sige. Okay, gets.
Ano yun?
Ganito na. Ano yung meron dito? CR. Yeah. Ay, sila ano yun? At ito talaga ang highlights ng 2 araw na stay namin dito sa Puerto Princesa. Daratan namin dito sa coffee shop, ang Ong Fam. Bukod sa picture na ito, marami rin kami napagkwentuhan ni Gio. Feeling ko nga parang matagal na kami magkakilala. Sobrang cool ng Ong Fam. Humble people at masarap na kwentuhan. Salamat Ong Fam. Hanggang sa muli. Tapos na ang 4 na araw na masayang bakasyon natin dito sa Palawan. Pero mukhang nabitin si Seb. So siguradong babalik tayo dito.
Oh,